before we start our lesson, let's have the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. So may I know who is absent for today? So okay, very good if no one is absent for today. Good morning again, class. Before we start our lesson, let's have first an activity. So this activity called toe, touch, sit and reach, and side stretching. So first, I will divide the class into 4. So this row will be the group 1, the second row will be the group 2, and this row will be the group 3, and the last group will be the group 4. So I want you to create small circles. Are you ready for our activity today? Give thumbs up if you are ready. Okay? As I say it, you are ready. So listen for the instructions. In this game, you must wait my go signal and freeze for 5 seconds. Groups who did the positions correctly will move forward until a group reaches the finish line. Take note, in this activity, you have to be attentive, listen to your teachers as I will give you command. So let's start! So, first, pick up things from the floor. Second, reach upward to pick a mango tree. Number 3, sway from side to side like a bamboo. 4, pass the ball backward to a friend. And number 5, guard your line in patintero. So you may now all be seated. Well done, students. So now let's proceed to our lesson. So anyone who can tell me what is our lesson for today? Yes, May? Okay, very good. Our lesson for today is all about body shapes and body actions. So under body actions and body shapes, we have bending and stretching. When we say bending and stretching, these are movements that improve flexibility. The proper way of doing these movements can prevent injury. So it says here, when we are bending or stretching, so it prevents us from injury. So second, a flexible person can do many movements, safety, and assume good posture all times. Circle, starting position or the knee bend. Long sitting position, and the last one, the stride sitting position. Your next activity, it is by pair. So I want you to find your partner now. Are you ready? Did you find your partner? So, in this game, you will do the exercise that we tackled earlier, which is, it will down here. So, the one student or one pair will perform the exercises, and also the one pair will check the box on the self-assessment position. So here are the examples. So in vice versa legend, in 3 points, it is very good. In 2 points, it is good. Then 1 point, it is need improvement. So you will check your partner. So if he or she did the headband perfect, so you can check here under the very good and etc. It's up to you when your partner do. So we'll give you 10 minutes to do. So time is up. Pass your paper now. Assignment, I want you to research about the different types of body shapes. Bye class.